Well, good day everyone, and how's everybody doing? It is Thursday night, which means it's Friday right now where you guys are watching this. So the reason why I'm doing this little thing, you know, you guys have seen me run before, it's nothing to get excited about, but today's video is going to be what I like to call a short. And it's short for two reasons. One, it is really just short. This video was kind of funny and it just didn't have a place to go. It is Friday. It means it's Thursday night. Haley's in town. We're gonna go out to eat tonight, so we got a couple things planned. I didn't have a lot of time to do an edit. Instead of just going nothing, I had this little piece of video that I just didn't know where to put it, and I thought, hey, let's put it up today. We'll call it an Install Diaries short. Without further ado, go ahead and check this out. While you guys are watching this, I'm gonna get back to running. I'll see you after it's over.
So what we have here, it's what do we call it, white box radio, because like you see, it doesn't fit. It's horrible. We're gonna replace it with the Kenwood DPX 302U. They don't care about the screen. They only want something with Bluetooth, regular radio, CD. Let's get to it.
Right?
Yeah. So we have to go and fix the harness. So you're gonna need like a smart harness.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem. How long are you thinking? Half hour or so, or?
Probably like an hour. I have to redo the harness again. Yeah. All right, so what we have in here is like they cut the harness, the factory harness. We're gonna go and attach a reverse harness so we can use our smart harness. All right.
What did they do? Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
So we have to grab a reverse harness.
Yeah. Holy crap. And this, kids, is why we don't like the white box radios.
Yeah.
For one, they don't fit. Two, they hack up your dash.
Yeah.
Wow. What is that? That was it?
That was it.
That's kind of cool, actually. That's why they didn't have to cut any of the back or remove the back brace.
Right.
Oh wow, this is gonna be a lot of work.
Yeah, he said it's you think like a half an hour? I'm like, no, it's probably like an
Paul's
hour.
trying to book another job.
Well, just make sure you tell him.
I'm gonna go talk to him right now.
And I need the smart harness and the reverse harness. Do you know which one is the reverse harness for this one? The 1818 or
Yeah.
the other one?
Problem is I don't think they put the data wires in this.
The factory one?
Yeah, so we're actually gonna have. Here's what we got.
So should I take this
Oh
back
wow,
then?
this is broken. Just needs to put that back together. Okay. Yeah, go ahead and get that out. We're gonna need to cut this here up to here. So go ahead and remove that, and then we need to pull this screw, that screw. Oh, that's gonna suck. I'm just wondering, why is there a red wire in here? I don't remember
They
that.
run it.
No, it's in the harness. They just twisted these together. I just think it's odd that it doesn't have. All right, whatever. So for this, we're going to use a reverse harness that's going to plug into the new smart harness. Now the reverse harness is going to have extra wires and also be missing some of the wires we need. Essentially from the factory, you have a constant 12 volts, a ground, and your 8 speaker wires. Luckily, this harness has an illumination, a mute wire, a accessory wire, and a remote turn-on wire. We're not going to need any of those. We're going to go ahead and pull those out because what we need to add into it is the CAN bus wires, CAN high and low. That's what's going to talk to the smart harness. Now what we're going to do is we've pulled out the orange and the brown wire, and we've gone ahead and plugged it into our harness. The wires we need to replace are these pinks here. One is CAN high, one is CAN low. So we're going to use our orange and brown wires to replicate CAN high and CAN low. So we went ahead and put a zip tie on to hold all the shrink wrap in place. Once we get the metal piece out of the dash, we'll go ahead and start soldering this back in. Now what we want to do is go ahead and get our harness that we're going to use for the radio all set and ready to go so that we can test it. So for this, we're going to use, what we're doing here, I forgot to mention, we're using the BHO 1818 from Best Kids, as well as the LCCH11 from Pack, which is the same company. So our harness is all set and ready to go. We have our antenna adapter. Now all we have to do is get the kit made up on the radio and finish soldering the wires in the dash. One thing you don't want to do is just assume that whoever cut this and attached it the right way. So what we're going to do now is we're going to polarity check it to make sure that these are going to the right thing. All right, so that one's correct. That one good? All right. That one's good. So lucky for us, they wired it up the right way. All the speakers are in polarity. So now all we have to do is match up our green here to this. So these are all going to be good. Just leave the white wires till the end, and we'll do those last. Okie dokie? Mm-hmm. All right. So pink with a black stripe is brown. We got a red light. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we're good. All right, go ahead and solder them.
What's wrong with you, man? Come on, man. That's it. It's okay. You can cry.
Yeah. There we go. Hold it.
Let me check. Spanish. Yes. Yes. Demo. On. Perfect.
Hot diggity dog.
Hot dog. Hot dog. That's the Russians, man.
Uh-huh. All right, the Jeep is done. We managed to rescue it back from the dead. All good there. Fernando?
Yes, it's good.
Very scary. All right, on to the next one. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that little short. From time to time, I might throw those up there just to, you know, fill in the gaps when I have to do stuff. They're playing soccer. All right, guys, thanks for watching as always. You have a great night, and we'll see you later next time.
Bye.
Bye.